What better way to have a nice New Year's with having to spray yourself down with some flea spray? Oh yeah, lovely. Hey Dave, come here. I'm gonna spray you down. It's awesome. So this is one of our top contractors that we work with, Dave Munoz, also known as the man. This is a foreclosure one we won about a little over a month ago. Got the people out pretty quickly, but you know, it was a pretty big trash out. Unfortunately, I think they had maybe 20 cats in this thing. I don't know, dude. But when I went in there, I came out and I was jumping.
Dude,
he's got gloves on. So we are here to do a scope work. So if you have any questions, please leave them. Oh, he already unlocked it. Yep. All right, if you have any questions, leave a comment below. We'll try to answer them. Maybe I can even get Dave to answer some of these questions. Follow us on YouTube, don't you?
Yes, sir.
He better be.
Yes,
so we're gonna go through this, put up the scope of work, and we'll go from there. So Dave, I'll let you lead on, sir.
Oh, great.
You're welcome. So this is a little condo. I think it's a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath. Yep. So first we're starting here in the kitchen. So this is, full demo of all the cabinets. We're gonna go with the white shaker and the hardware, granite. I don't think we can optimize the layout any differently. What do you think?
Nope.
Pretty much same layout.
Yep.
What's in that? Is that just?
Real small.
That's all right. So, trying to think that there's no point in opening it up really. I guess let's just put shelves back in there, wire shelving, and have another little pantry. Okay. So this will be full repaint with our gray white trim. The question is, I don't know if it makes sense to do the popcorn ceilings. Are they in decent shape?
I believe so.
Okay.
There's a couple stains, but that's pretty much
it. If it's just stains, then obviously they'll just paint. Okay, so that little spot.
But like I said, mainly stains.
Yeah. Okay. So then let's kills it and paint. Flat paint on there. So all that. So that's kind of the general stuff there. Obviously, all the screens, make all the windows work, fix, repair all the screens. They're all vinyl replacements. All the hardware comes off.
That your casings.
Look at this, really? That's the layout of the sink? Remove the garbage disposal. Don't need that. It's all electric baseboard, right? Heat.
Yep.
So probably, they look pretty dated. So we'll probably have them have Kevin update them. He's going to update all these too. Other than that, so LVP floor here. Let's just do LVP floor throughout the whole house.
Okay.
Same with the stairs. We'll just, Well, actually, let's look upstairs. Maybe we go carpet upstairs and then carpet downstairs. That might make more sense. All right, when we get up there, let's look at that. I think it might actually make sense just because this is obviously not a rental. It might make more sense to do a nice carpet up there. We'll get that done quick. All new light fixtures, and we'll have them upgrade that. I'll probably have them keep the fan. This faux brick, get rid of this faux brick. It doesn't do any good. So here, there's no point in this. We don't need to radiate the heat up because it's not. So please frame it out, cover that, and looks like they did that already over there. Yeah. So new French door, obviously new railings, new decking, balusters, all that jazz there. So I guess the question is, if we're already fixing it, I wonder, do we make it a little bigger?
Yeah, it would be nice.
If you're already fixing it up, why don't we extend it over here a little bit? So now you can have a little more functionality. So let's do that. Let's kind of make it a little bit bigger, more functional. The bulkhead needs to be scraped down and painted. We can just do a gray or whatever. Hopefully we don't have any rot under here. It doesn't look that bad, but obviously we'll check for that. It's clearly rotted right there.
If we do the replacement, we'll inspect all that.
Yeah. All right, all the hardware removed. Like I said, we'll have
brush nickel or?
No, do the black.
Okay.
The matte black.
All right.
What is that?
Right.
That's not a smoke detector. It is a smoke detector, but it's hardwired. What? What is it? Oh my God. It's a spy device. That's it. They're watching us. Oh my God.
The camera's right there.
Oh, that's the camera. Yeah. Nah, seriously, it looks like maybe hardwired smoke, which seems like an odd place. It's supposed to be on the ceiling.
Right.
So I'll have to have Kevin update that. I mean, the baseboard doesn't look bad here, but it looks like you might need new trim here anyway. So new casing. Might as well just get new doors. Just all new 6-panel doors. New, obviously new light fixture, full repaint, all new black matte hardware.
Definite baseboard.
Definite new baseboard, flooring, new toilet,
Okay.
new vanity, mirror.
All right.
You know. Do you want to go basement or do you want to go upstairs?
Let's go upstairs. Gray top, white bottom. Or you want to do all white?
Yeah, we could. No, let's do gray top and then we can do the white bottom. Or no, we're just gonna have the chair rail be white, right? Let's do gray everywhere.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine. We'll do that. So we'll keep the railing.
Yep.
Just tighten it up a little bit, and then Rust-Oleum it black.
Okay.
Call it a day. But yeah, the paneling. I mean, the paneling, the wainscoting is fine.
Yeah, they're in good condition.
Yep. So, so up here, let's just do carpet upstairs. Carpet up here and then down the stairs, a nice new carpet. It'll lower the noise level downstairs and kind of have a warmer feel, which is fine. But we'll go something that will pull has some grays in it, stuff like that. But I think we have one that we typically go with, so we'll do that. New doors, new hardware, new hinges, new light fixtures. Like I said, we'll upgrade all the outlets and switches. Have Kevin also swap those out. All right, so I mean, we'll do shelving in here, paint it, clean it up. It'll be a little closet, which is fine. New door. You might as well just get all new doors for all the closets here. We're missing half of them. We'll get all new ones. We'll get them white or pre-primed or whatever, so we can just kind of go in. And please, no more repairs like this. Really, duct tape.
That was a quick fix, man. You called late night, you got it done though.
This is why they call him a slumlord.
Well, all I
What?
can do is, look at this.
What the? Oh, Jesus.
The whole continue. There you go. Ta-da.
Whoa.
Ta-da. Here you go. What's this? Look at this.
Holy shit.
So I took a look outside.
Yeah, so what's the cause
I
here?
can possibly see that maybe we're not to inspect these gutters to see if there's any overflow of leaves stuck up there, because I can't see any water coming down here.
Yeah.
And even inside the siding, I don't see it.
So the window seems to be okay. Hold on. Dude, it's not attached. Look it up here too. Like up where the window is, it's not. The coiling doesn't go there. It's just wide open. Like I said, yeah. Let's get this all taken out. Let's take it all back. Fix all the rot. Then reframe it. I mean, if we can save the window, great. I mean, whatever. If not, we buy a brand new window. All right. Obviously, in here, LVP. Obviously, we're not doing carpet. I mean, this isn't the 70s. But ooh, look at that. It's an owl. Is that an owl? What is that? New vanity. Baseboard, trim, windows, all that shit. I mean,
look at that.
Is that a throwing star? What the? Oh, now I gotta try this shit. All right, hold on.
Go ahead.
All right, ready?
I'll watch it from here. Go
All right, here we go. Let's see how accurate. All right. See, American Ninja Warrior. Oh, I wonder how. Do you think it will attach into the tub surround? Let's see.
Yeah.
Whoa! We're attaching the floor. That's a unique find.
On your foot, dude.
I know, right? I would do a handrail there, and on this side.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. All this paneling's got to come off. I mean, and I mean, I would just demo all this paneling. Okay. We're never gonna get the smell out if we don't. Yeah, demo all of that. I mean, I would take off the framing.
Yep.
And we'll just. I mean, actually, you only probably need to paint it. It's fine, but I would maybe paint the floor gray.
Okay.
What's the water from?
I have no clue.
Ah, shit. What's all this from? Is that the hot water tank? Where? Oh, is it the laundry valve open?
Yeah.
All right. So that obviously we got to get fixed. I want a new laundry box right there. That's a weird placement, but I already have that. So we obviously need to get that hard piped for the dryer vent.
Yeah.
And
Look
that's
at this.
nice.
Nice invention. Look at that filter.
I mean, this looks like it's okay. The water heater, we'll probably just clean that up. Let's get this water out here. New laundry box. Now, when you demo all this, yeah, I would just get all this wide open.
Yeah, right.
Wide open. There you go. Look at that. Yeah. Come on, kick it. All right. Okay. So,
Open it all up.
yep, we'll open it all up. There we go. Oh, geez.
Yes, you caught that.
Yeah, I did. Catch it.
Yes, call workers' comp right now.
Oh, for
Call the
who?
insurance company right
Not
now.
mine. That's your workers' comp. Not mine, bitch. All right, so I would take all the drop ceiling down too.
Okay.
I mean, and we'll just let's re-insulate the joists. We'll upgrade the lighting a little bit. What are we doing with this?
Right.
Is that like connected?
I don't think so.
So then I would just get rid of it. Yeah, they're just bricked over. Like this is for a look. And they did a shitty job.
You think they were trying to heat up, and that's how they were?
I think they were using this to heat up the stairs. You're right. As another heat source. Is this like a wood? Is this a wood one?
Has to be.
I think you're right. Oh, I can't see in there. Hold on. I got a light. I mean, they're burning trash. Yeah. So all that gone. Let's demo this brick facade, put up. We'll get rid of this whole thing. So this basement, wide open, laundry facility. Now the stairs, we just need to put a railing system in once we demo all that, but handrail, all that stuff with balusters, so make sure FHA compliance. Okay. So any questions, sir?
Sir.
No, sir. All right, so how many fleas do we got on this?
You only got 50.
50. Let's count the fleas. Hold on.
I don't see any, do you?
Oh
yeah, I do. Look right there. Right there.
Oh. It's a lot better than it was. This is why we got flea spray. I think I'm good.
I think I'm good.
Hold on, I think there's one right here. Hold on. Bam! New mailbox too. What?
I said this was fun.
Yeah, I think you're good, dude.
All right.
Seriously, that flea spray is awesome. So the railing, let's tighten this up. So this one over here, let's get this cleaned up. Let's cut all these bushes out. Let's just kind of have it clean and open. You can't even see the electric meter.
The shutters. Look at these small shutters.
I know. So let's take them off and paint them or put new ones up. The black ones or something. All right. We only need to do the front. Don't worry about doing the back.
Okay.
And then we'll do a new light fixture. Like I said, new storm door. Let's fix this. Cut this back so we can even get to. You can't even get to the electric meter here.
Yep.
So let's cut that back. I mean, we'll keep the awning.
Almost
Everyone else has the awning too. So.
Take a look what's going on in there.
Yeah, look at that flashing up there. Yeah. Hopefully not as rot like we saw on the other side.
I don't think so.
Yeah, famous last words from a contractor. I don't think so. This is the condo complex that we bought. We actually might get another 2 in here. We're hoping to close on one more, and there's another auction coming up for another one. So fingers crossed. Dave will be here for a few months.
Yes.
Working.
Yes.
Hardly working.
Yes.
We know. I think that's it. So this is kind of the scope of work we're doing on this foreclosure. So Dave, everyone wants to know, how long will this take?
Man, dude, you're looking at
And everyone on YouTube's
like
got a whole
6 to 12 months in here of work in here.
12 months. Wow. So this is when you go get a new contractor.
Yep.
If they're telling you it's going to take 6 to 12 months on a project like this should be at least 6 weeks.
Should be.
Should be.
Yep.
We're going to hold them to that, all right? So starting from today, he's got to start getting it done. Boom. No questions asked.
That's it.
And now price, we're thinking what? 10 grand?
No, I'm actually
labor and materials.
Like 9,800.
9,800 labor and materials.
Yeah, labor and materials.
Yeah, no way.
That's right.
We'll keep you updated on where we come out with a price. Hopefully, Dave's fair.
It's a new year too, you know.
It's a new year, so right, exactly. Inflation's going down,
no,
so prices we don't know. Prices, it's gotta go down.
From last week.
All right. I hope this was helpful and a little educational. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and make sure you hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you on the next video. Say bye, Dave.
Bye.